Netflix knows your next movie, Spotify guesses your next song, your phone unlocks just by looking at you. It feels like magic, but it's not. It's maths. And before you panic, no, I'm not here to throw any scary question at you. You know what's funny? Most of us hate math because how it's taught in school. We were taught to memorize questions like lyrics, but no one ever played us the music behind them. We laugh when celebrities say they have never used maths in school, but here's irony. The algorithm that made them go viral built on math. So maybe it's not math that's useless, maybe
it's underrated.
And maybe the real problem isn't math itself, it's how we were taught. We weren't solving problems, we were chasing correct answers. In reality, math is everywhere, especially in AI, and when you see it in the right way, it's actually kinda beautiful. So in this video, let's pull back the curtain and see how AI uses 3 simple ideas from mathematics to guess, organize and learn. Don't worry, no scary questions, just the idea and the concept behind it. Let's start with the first job math does for AI, guessing, or to say it more clearly, probability. See, AI never knows for sure, it only deals in chances. Think about the weather forecast. When your phone says there is an 80% chance of rain, it does not know the future. It just look at cloud, wind pressure and said, okay, based on the data, rain is likely. AI works the same way. Take your email spam filter. When it see a line like subscribe to Modulus mindset, it doesn't scream, this is definitely spam. Instead, it thinks, there is 99.9% chance this belong in spam, and honestly that's good enough. Here's the part that might surprise you. Most of us grow up thinking like math is always about being right or wrong. 2 plus 2 is 4, end of story. But in AI, math is more like guessing the odds. It is not shouting yes or no, it's whispering, I'm 80% sure it is this. And you know what, that's enough, because the world isn't black and white, it's full of maybes, and probability is the math of maybes. So if you ever thought math was just about solving boring equations on a test, nope. Sometimes math is about giving the best possible guess fast enough to be useful. Alright, so we saw how AI can guess what you might like, but here's the next problem. There are millions of options, movies, song, email, pictures. How does AI figure out which one belong together so it can actually recommend something useful? This is where the second job of math comes in, organizing, or in fancy terms, linear algebra. Think of every item, movie, song or a picture as a book in giant library. Each book has a set of tags describing it. Each tags are like genres, mood, length, action level or comedy level, and in math language these tags make up a vector, a list of numbers that describe each item. Each row is an item, each column is a feature. This matrix lets AI measure similarity. The closer two vectors are, the more alike the items are. So if you watch a movie with a lot of explosion and car crashes, AI will recommend another action-packed movie nearby in the library, not a romantic comedy. Or if you listen to a upbeat pop song, AI will suggest another upbeat pop song, not a slow jazz. Math here is like giving AI a map of the world. It turns keywords into order so the AI can quickly find what's similar without checking every single item one by one. Okay, we have seen how AI can guess what you might like and how it can organize all the possibilities, but here's the coolest part. AI can learn from its mistake and get better over time. This is where the third job of maths come in, learning through calculus. Don't worry, no scary question, just the idea and the concept behind it. Think of it like a hot and cold game. While blindfolded, you are trying to find a hidden object. You take a step in some directions and someone tell you warmer or colder. Every step you take, you adjust based on that feedback, moving toward the goal. AI works the same way. Let's say it's trying to identify a cat in the photo. Its first guess might be dog. Yikes, that's the wrong number, but the math tell it exactly which direction to adjust, a tiny nudge closer to the answer. It repeats this process thousands of times, each step improving slightly. After a while, it becomes very good at spotting cats or anything else you can train on it. This process is called optimization. Calculus gives AI the tools to figure out the best path toward the answer, even if it starts completely wrong. And behind this, there are some familiar calculus ideas at work. Derivative tell AI the direction to move, like feeling which way is warmer. Gradients, which are just derivative in many dimensions, they guide the AI step by step. Infinity series and approximations let AI predict complex patterns in small steps. Fourier analysis helps AI understand patterns in data, like break images or sound into simpler pieces it can learn from. Think about it, AI doesn't get it perfect the first time. It learns from mistake and one step at a time, just like we do in real life. And that's the amazing part. These calculus concepts give it a map and compass to learn efficiently. So to summarize our 3 pillars, probability helps AI guess, linear algebra helps AI organize, calculus helps AI learn from mistake and get better. And that's how math power AI without a single scale theory equation. In the next videos, we will dive deeper into each of these pillars step by step to see how the AI magic really happens. If you enjoy seeing how the math behind AI actually works, maybe hit the subscribe button. See you in the next one.